Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my subscription box unboxing. I have two for the month of March. I just got them a couple days ago. I have a new subscription box. It's called Apocalyptic Beauty. And this month their theme, or March's theme, was Naga Snake Goddess. So they included this little gummy snake. Thought that was cute. Comes in this cute little bag. So let's see what we have. Oh, looks we got like a little sticker. Cool. And we have, oops, that's upside down. The Apocalyptic Beauty Medusa liquid lipstick. That's like a green-gray color. It's the color of it there. I don't know if I could pull that one off. Then we have this eyeshadow in the shade as Sarsra, I don't know. It's a pretty blue. Then we have this other eyeshadow in the shade Gorgon. Green. Then we have the highlighter in Serpentine. So there's that. Then I have Medusa's makeup for March. They included the Witch Lash in Electric Blue, so I'm going to assume that this is a blue mascara. Then they have the Salt and Peppermint lip gloss. Then we have the Medusa's lip paint in the shade Whoopee. I have to open that and see. And they included a sea salt facial scrub in the scent Black Hawaiian. So let me see what this lipstick looks like. Okay, that looks like that's the color. Pretty. Okay. Okay, that's what I have for the month of March subscription boxes. I might have a couple more. So I will get the video up as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.